Shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm showing you guys my nighttime hair routine. Okay, y'all, so my hair was silk pressed about 2 weeks ago. So now it looks like this. I have been spraying a little bit of water here and there. I'm gonna show y'all in this video, but that's why it looks a little bit more puffier than what it should. Okay, so I'm gonna start by, combing out my hair. Then before you do anything, you want to style your hair. It's easier to style it now than to style it in the morning because you might make it puffy or something. So just style your hair now. I already know I want a side part for tomorrow, so that's what I'm doing. After you have styled your hair, you want to take your water or your leave-in conditioner, whatever is wet. I like to use this leave-in conditioner because it smells so good, y'all. Ooh, if y'all smelled this leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature, then y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. And please don't mind me, y'all. I'm on the phone. So, yeah, I like to be on the phone when I'm doing my hair because it's a long process and I need company sometimes. But, yeah. So, after you do that, you're going to take a section of your hair after you, spray it down and you're going to braid it. Braid it as tight as you can. This is going to give you that crinkly, wavy curl effect. You want to do this on your whole head, so go ahead and start sectioning out your hair and doing those braids. Before each braids, don't forget your leave-in conditioner or water. When spraying, you do not want to drench your hair. Just lightly spray and make your hair damp. Now that you have all your braids in, you're ready to go. I like to spray a little bit more at the end, then put my bonnet on and go to sleep. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take out these braids and see how the crinkles look. I'm gonna do a little story time too because, so every morning before work, I get up and I go to the gym, but it's a gym inside my building. So what I usually do is okay, crinkle, it's a little something. So what I usually do is I go and pack my bag for the night. All right, boom. And I usually put it by the door so I can just like get up, put some workout clothes on and leave. Easy peasy. Y'all, so I did the exact same thing I do in the morning. Got here, I worked out, now I'm done working out. I look in my bag to start, getting dressed, taking a shower and stuff. I grabbed the wrong bag. I got a bag where it was clothes I already worn. It was from the break, Christmas break. I'm like, oh my goodness. So I wore this on Christmas. I only wore it one time, so I was like, okay, maybe I could wear this, but this is not what I was gonna wear to work. At least I had something because I hate to drive back. That would have took an hour and 30 out of my day just to drive. When you're taking it out, make sure that you're not separating it like the actual piece. Like don't separate this part because you don't want it to be puffy unless you do want it to be puffy. Then do that. Just take down the braid first. That's what I like to do. And then add your fluff later. But yeah, this is like a great alternative if your hair is already starting to not be as straight. Just go ahead and braid it up. Make some curls or something to save the hairstyle. Okay. So Something real quick and easy. Wax stick. Oh, got my charger. Okay. Okay, guys. We're getting somewhere. I think I'm just leaving like this. I'm not gonna do anything extra. I'm gonna take this, bring it to the front. Got a little bit of edge. Okay, and so now I'm ready for work. I don't really put makeup on for work because then they're gonna be expected to see me like that every day. It's too early. I don't have time. Thanks, queens, for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else you want to see on my channel. Bye, queens.
To my body, so baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space.